Good morning, everybody. It is the morning of Saturday, the August the 17th, 2019. I'm back to working on Project Redline, fabricating a new section for the firewall here, and I just kind of wanted to show everybody what I was doing. And something that I've learned that's really important I wanted to share is, if you'll notice, my patch that I've made here fits perfectly along the non-straight lines where I've cut out the old rusted piece. The reason that it fits so perfectly is when I cut out the old rusted piece, I didn't just go in there balls a-blazing, guns a-glory, and just cutting everything out. I was very, very specific to try and cut out only one piece, and to do so, with lines that would be friendly when I went to come back to weld it, because when you go to cut out this piece, you're taking the old piece and laying it down as a template. When you go to use your stretcher to bend this piece right here, you can kind of see right there, I've been using my shrinker stretcher. You can see all the little lines in it, to get it to curve. Again, you're using the old piece to be able to get it to do that. So when you guys are doing this kind of stuff on your own, understand that this old hunk of crap right here has a very, very important purpose to it, once you get everything cut out. So if we have a look around the back side of it, you'll see that I've put just a few spot welds up in on the back side of it there, holding everything in place. I'll weld it fully on the front, grind everything down, and then after that, before I make this new piece to go in here, I'm going to sandblast up in here, hit it with some weld-through primer so that when I weld the new cover in right here, I've got the weld-through primer there, and then once all of that's done, I'm going to end up fogging all down in here with epoxy primer and just laying it in, shooting it in from the top up here, coming down into the bottom, really, really heavy, trying to cover everything as best I can. So finish welding it up, sandblast it, 2 types of primer, and then this ought to be good to go. Thanks. Hope you all enjoyed it.